Welcome to today's vlog, guys. This is like the 10th time I've done this intro because we keep giggling and messing it up. I hope you all have a totally wicked, epically blessed day. I'm Stevie.
I'm Jilly.
And our Reefus dog's hanging about somewhere. And yeah, we're going to get into today's vlog and see what goes down. I just had a delivery of a brand new Sunday. Well, that being the delivery, I think in this video we're going to do a bike build. So let's get on with this one and I'll show you what I've got. Some new Vans. Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah. Are you ready for this, guys? Let's see what kind of new sneaks I got as well.
Did you get the sneaks?
Dum dum dum.
Ooh, look at them.
There we go.
Look at them little beauties.
So, oh yeah, Dennis Anderson. These are the Vans Old School Pros. They've got like a canvasy material to them. We've got this side here so you can grip onto your cranks.
Warning, this
Got that added toe piece.
This is that crap to put in. Qualified my arse. I could put that together.
So anyway, as I said, they've got this bit here which is for the crank arm, and they've got this bit here which protects your toes and stuff like that. The soles inside, they look pretty cool actually. Quite nice when you see that. But
I like a greeny, browny, blacky blue colour.
Quite like them. Just the 4-piece bars. I absolutely love the colour of these rims.
Every day we had another fight. I was far too blind to realize that our love had got out of control. Should've known I was better off alone. Now I see when it's out in the light.
For a ride, guys, let's check out the bike. This is the new build, Sunday Forecaster 2021 with a free coaster.
I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tinted. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side, but I'm from the east side. This how we slide, this how we ride, yeah, this how we ride. Going pro, no lead. Make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, on 3, 2, 1. I fly till you can't see me. Swish, yeah. Ballin'. From the first whistle, we go all in. And one. Call it. Numbers up and never falling. Feel like I hit the ladder. Nothing more I need. Choking on my knees. There's no way I will.
Oh yes! The longest fakie to date.
Nothing more I need. Alone. I don't know where I wanna be. All I care about is how I'm gonna be clean. Nothing more I need.
I think I was forgetting you guys, leaving you behind. I wouldn't do that. Right. Got the ramp, this is it. It's called a mini rampage. How will it work? Maybe we should test it on the grass first. What do you think? Nah. Probably gonna be a bad idea this, you know, guys. Feels grippy enough. Let's put you over here and see what happens. See if I fall and die. Hopefully I don't break any bones. Get this rampage on and see what happens.
Nothing more I need. Choking on my knees. There's no way I will bleed. Rip it apart.
You see that, guys? I jostled my neck, man. Oh, my brain got shaken there, guys. The front end, I don't know what happened. It just kind of nosedived. I left my front end up, but the back end I must have like I have to watch that back. Let's have a rewind, slow-mo. Let's see what happened there.
And as we can see here, I go up and I scoot the back end way too high, not enough pressure in the tyre, and nearly die.
You've probably seen what happened there, guys. Might have explained in editing. That's sketchy. That's truly sketchy. Let's have another go.
As I look for a better way to get through another boring day, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Anyway, guys, till next time, like, subscribe, share the channel, and yeah, see you on the flip side.
Morning everyone. Well, it's a glorious day of the day. There's no snow.
It's raining.
It's raining, but there's no snow, so we're going to go out and crack on and get the last painting jobs. Well, I'm doing the last painting jobs in the van, and Steve's going to take over the garage build and crack on with that, because he's got lots to do. So let's get into this. Are we, Jackie Chan? You've got to put all the noise to it. I think I'm just going to spit on yourself in a minute.
Probably. Can I get the thing? Ow. What's on, fuckers? Okay. Right, gotta get to work, guys. Oh, look, there's a reef.
Oh, Reefy's never in the vlogs because he's always asleep.
There's a Reefy bear. Say hi, Reefy bear. Say hi, Reefy bear. Well, guys, the back end of the van, the rear end. Basically, what do you do with it? You know, there's so many different things. For our needs and for your needs, there's going to be two totally different things probably. So for us, for instance, I've got a lot of surfboards, I've got wetsuits, I've got a SUP, which is a stand-up paddleboard, I've got bodyboard, I've got all those kind of water sport activities which are going to be based this side. This side behind me here, this is where I'm going to keep my BMX, BMX wheel, tools. But in between that, I need to have like general life stuff as well, so which is your van life stuff, such as your ramps and stuff like that, your cable for your 240 volts, your clothes dryer, all those little bits and pieces, along with the table, the chairs. Where do you put it all? Well, that is my task today, is to try and figure that out. We've got some really cool ideas coming forward, so I'm going to insert some clips here so you can see. Basically, we've got this awesome flooring, and this flooring is going to be throughout the whole part of the van. I plan on doing a pull-out for the BMX as well, so I want something that's going to look better, similar to this in this guy's van here. I want the BMX to be able to pull out on a tray. That's dependent on how high it is versus the bed, and what we can do with that, so that should be pretty interesting. Of course, I want places to hang stuff as well, so the walls need sorting out. We're also going to paint the inside of this white with anti-mold paint, because we do get really bad, not so much mold, we do get mold in here, but it's more damp really than anything else. But that's going to be down to condensation and heat and other things. Anyway, guys, I'm going to move off this because there's loads of criminals about.
This is what we've got so far, guys. We have the BMX in this position. They moved the back wall of the fridge freezer, been moved further back. I've got all my boxes in here, of course, and it's not going to look like this, but I've got all my black boxes. I've got 3 of them, 2 large ones, 1 small one. So I've got a wet box, dry box and everything. Got room now for the surfboard to go in. Just got to sort out where the ramps, camping tables, other things are going to
Chili's
go.
washing line doesn't fit anymore.
Chili's busy fixing the... Back
So
on.
cool.
Back on. I'll give it a shake, it comes on and off. On, off. Guy's got a problem with this camera. Every time it shakes or gets moved, it goes on and off. On and off. It's really weird. So it's recording, then it's
Anybody
not recording.
knows how to fix
Recording, not recording. So anyone knows how to fix it,
Tell us now.
hit us up in the comments. It's a Canon EOS M50, I believe.
Piece of shit.
Yeah, it's a Canon. It's a Canon EOS M50. I do believe that is my camera. But yeah. And it's back on again. So all I've got to do is give it a shake, but you've got to keep watching the red light, which is not handy because I want to look at you guys. But I've got to keep watching that red light. Back on. So come to the realisation, I'm not actually going to put the runners in. Thought all about it, but the problem that we're going to have is this, right? If that's going to be a pull out now when I look at it and I put it all together, when it pulls out, I can't ever have anything down the side because it's going to fall onto the side of the runners, so I can't really put too much storage down that side. I can put a bit of storage down here, but I'll be careful that nothing goes onto this, because if I do, I'm not going to be able to pull it out. I've got to keep moving all the stuff. If I don't do the runners, it means I can put the BMX over to one side. Guys, epic. We're finished finally with the big cutter. It can now go home for winter. So that is it. It is done. That's all the bits of the wood cut for the van. Yeah, I'm pretty stoked this goes away. I'm fucking sick of using it. What?
What we're doing with the back doors?
Back doors?
I'll put wood on them. We still need the big zip lip, baby. FML.
A few surfy days later.
Hi everybody.
What's on, guys?
We're back.
It's been a few days, possibly a week since we last been inside the van.
Yeah.
Due to just work and just crap weather and stuff. We're really lacking content at the moment, guys. I'm really sorry if the content's been a bit poop. But we're just not doing anything. We can't really go anywhere. We've been stuck at work and we can't go anywhere, and it's been snowing, it's been raining, it's been horrible.
It's been winter.
But we're back in the van today.
Yeah.
So that's sweet.
Yeah.
So we're going to get into the van. Today we're doing the garage. We've been looking at the garage build and what we've been getting on with it. So I'm going to show you that in a moment and explain a little bit about that, what we've been doing and stuff. And yeah, let's have a quick peek at that. So guys, this is what we've got so far. Today we're going to put all the floor and everything down. We've painted all the inside, we've anti-moulded it. I've got some tidying up to do on these grey bits around here, but the surfboards are in now. They've got like a little dedicated shelf at the very back. You probably see it slides all the way through there. Makes life a lot easier to be able to get them in and out. We've just got lots of things to just put up, really. I was going to originally do the BMX pull out here on the tray, however the bike is too tall and catches under here, so that's just off the market. And plus it took up too much space having the pull out in the middle of that. It just wasted space left and right, didn't it, really?
It did.
So we're going to get it and we're just going to basically sort it out.
Yeah.
And have it put in there, so you'll see what happens then. We've also got this flooring that's going to go in. I'm going to show you that as well. We've also got this guy we might talk about later on, which is like our clothes dryer kind of thing, and which is new for the van, so we'll talk about that maybe. So yeah, let's get on with it. Let's get into today's vlog.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
So this is our new flooring, guys. It was rubber flooring. It worked out for 3 meters of this, square meters, or 3 by 150, whatever it is. I'll put the details below. It worked out 3 meters for £42, I think. Let's hope it's enough to do what we need. Just took the centre wall out of the van here. I won't do it, Joey.
Well, this is in the way. Right, I just need to roll out enough.
I can move it. If you give it a second, I can take them off there because I want to get. Yeah, keep hold of that a minute. Where's my drill?
Behind my dad's car, stashed it. Right, guys, I just took that centre pillar out. It looks fucking amazing.
It was pretty scary because the whole bed went dump and just dropped. I don't know. So, Jill, I'm going to send you in the van if it's alright.
Yeah.
She's going to go in the van, she's going to risk climbing onto the bed, and we're going to see if it collapses. Hopefully it doesn't because my surfboards are there. But I swear to God I can see it droop.
That's not going to happen, Steve.
It's not why.
Are you seeing what's on the bed?
No, just a minute. Oh, bugger. So guys, I don't know what the camera keeps stopping. What were you doing?
Put your pants up.
You random weirdo. So the camera keeps stopping recording. Not sure why, but the situation is this. We're going to send Jill on top of the bed. Don't know if you've seen it, but we couldn't because, well, that is the state of play. So we're just going to risk it.
For a biscuit.
Yeah, and just maybe not put that central pillar back in. We don't know. That was good, Jilly.
Might be able to hide
Tidy, eh?
a couple of staples in there.
Yeah, man. I don't look like that.
Sing, won't you sing with me? Leave everything for me.
We decided we want our bed, or the garage, to be open. So this here is obviously not strong enough to support. Well, it is strong to support our weight, but I just don't want it to break at any point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to modify the inside of this, run a much thicker piece of wood, the same depth of this behind it, and then rejoin all of the structural beams to it, and hopefully that'll be enough to get sorted.
I used to see in colours, now it's grey. Till I met you at the concert the other day.
And that there is why we're doing it, because this wood is crap. It's just,
Whose side of the bed is that?
it's the right in the middle actually.
It's my side of the
I
bed.
think it's just splitting, it's just coming apart, you know what I mean? Like, it's not good. So, good firewood, but that's about it.
And nothing's gonna make me look away. Peel off the layer and breathe. Lift up your head and lead. Count the stars.
So these are epically fabulous cups that my friend Victoria made. Me and Steve in the van, Mr. and Mrs. Taylor, on the fab. Anyway, baby, stop and have a cup of tea. There you go.
Cheers, dude. Oh yeah.
I used to see in colours, now it's grey. Till I met you at the concert the other day. The whole room lit up with warm, sunny rays. Tonight we'll turn minutes into days. And nothing's gonna make me look away.
So guys, still busy building the van out. Got to put in this new piece here. So this here, I think you might have seen on the other vlog, it's basically what keeps the bike in place, and that's going to go somewhere in here. So I'm going to get this bike apart now. And there's my baby. We'll have a look.
They're not normally this slack, just I've had it in and out, in and out. No, because then it's a big problem. Got to slide him in and out like I do have to climb in and out all the time I want to do it. So I might have to go to that angle maybe. The dramas is real, guys. So he might, but then again he's not going to fit in there either because he's that high up.
So basically, a big heavy duty support that I've just fitted now won't allow the BMX to fit because it is too tall.
Everybody makes mistakes, 'cause no one can be perfect. It was just one kid.
Guys, we're just finishing the build here. We're going to show you it now. Jill's absolutely numb. I'm red up, me. I'm absolutely sweating, but I've been climbing out of the van.
So, right guys, here we are. This is what we've got done so far.
These are sweet.
Needs a good clean sweep out, but there's all the flooring in. That's all done. Got the area for the surfboard done at the back up there as well. Lights in on that side. Got another light which is on a sensor, so when it's up inside there, so when you open up things it comes on. But that's it reinforced. I reinforced it with this huge, I don't see that even, huge chunk beam of wood that's running through there. So yeah. And another note though, look what's come back since I sprayed the van. The paint or something, it's cracked. You can see it, but it's cracked. I guess it must have been too cold
also cracked there as well. So I'm going to have to message the dude and see I need that sorting. Sorry Lee, but I don't know why it's done it. It must obviously been not cured when it's burnt and put outside or whatever, and the cold's got it, and that's what happens when the cold gets it, I think. So yeah guys, let's get this van tied up for this evening, and then I think the next time you see us in this vlog, or in a vlog, we're probably going to be doing a van tour, I think. So we'll see how that goes. Well guys, we're coming to the end of this van part, and then the next video after this will probably be our van tour video. So we'll probably be showing you guys what the van looks like when it's all finished and done. But till next time guys, we out guys.
Well, stay safe.
Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you in the next one.
Adios.
Peace.